Driving traffic to your website is just the beginning. But how do you turn those visits into actual leads, consistently, and without manual work? Today we're diving into one of the most effective tools for modern businesses, chatbots for lead generation. So what exactly is a lead generation chatbot? It's an AI-powered assistant that engages your website visitors in real time. It asks smart questions, qualifies their intent, and captures their contact information automatically, 24/7. Unlike boring static forms, chatbots create a natural, conversational experience that keeps visitors hooked and eager to interact. Most visitors leave your site without filling out a form or booking a call. AI chatbots change that by starting helpful conversations in real time. They greet visitors, answer common questions, ask tailored questions to understand their goals, and then score their interest level. Chatbots can recommend products and guide users toward actions like booking a call or leaving their email, ensuring no lead slips through the cracks. Here's how lead generation chatbot works. First, the chatbot identifies what your visitor is looking for. Then, it asks tailored questions like budget, timeline, or specific interests. Finally, if the visitor is a good fit, the chatbot captures and organizes their contact info for your team. Tools like NoForm AI are designed to make this seamless. You can customize conversations to fit your business, qualify leads automatically, and route high-intent visitors to your sales pipeline. NoForm AI doesn't just chat. It strategically qualifies leads by asking the right questions at the right time. It can guide visitors to book a call, view pricing, leave their email, or any conversion action you define. Real businesses are using NoForm AI to turn web traffic into leads automatically. Whether you're in real estate, e-commerce, healthcare, legal, or SaaS, NoForm adapts to your audience and guides users based on what matters to your business. You can adjust tone, friendly, formal, or casual, train it on frequently asked questions, and personalize every step of the interaction. You control the experience, AI does the heavy lifting. Today's best chatbots run on advanced language models, so they understand intent, not just keywords. That makes the conversation feel more human and far more helpful. Before launching a chatbot, ask yourself, what's the primary goal? Bookings, emails, demos? Who are your website visitors? What questions do they ask again and again? Setting this up helps the AI assistant be more relevant, helpful, and effective. Start simple. The clearer your goals, the better the chatbot performs. AI chatbots are powerful lead generation tools when used right. They are no longer just nice to have. They're a smart, scalable way to generate leads, qualify visitors, and grow your business without adding more to your plate. Curious about using chatbots for your business? Try NoForm AI today and see the difference. Start small, learn what works, and improve over time. Stop losing leads. Let AI engage, qualify, and convert them while you focus on growth. NoForm AI is the smartest way to turn conversations into conversions. Start your free trial at noform.ai today.